Hey guys, what is up? So today we are gonna go on an awesome, nice bike ride. I'm gonna show you in a second, and we're gonna make an awesome garlic wine mussel for dinner. So let's go on the venture. Oh! Alright guys, I am back home now, and first we're going to peel our garlic. So we're going to be doing this TikTok hack. So put 3 cloves of garlic in a large bowl, and then put a smaller bowl on top or an equal sized bowl. Next off, we are going to shake it very vigorously, and this will help loosen the skin on it and make peeling it later really easy. So just go ahead and do this for around 2 minutes, and next thing you know, you won't have to peel them. Alright guys, I am finished doing that, and look at this. Already one of the skins came off, and the rest are super easy to peel. This will save you from getting super smelly fingers. So just go ahead, remove the skin, and we're going to go ahead and mince this pretty roughly. It depends if you want a lot of garlic chunks in your mussel sauce, but if you like to eat the garlic chunks, then go ahead and do it roughly like me. But if you don't really like that, then go ahead and do it finely. And then next, just put it on a bowl, and we're gonna get some lemon now. So go ahead and roll a lemon, and we're gonna use almost half a lemon, but just a little bit less, so a quarter of a lemon. And we're gonna go ahead and also get a tablespoon of butter, and then we're gonna wash a mussel. So I'm using a quart full of mussel, and you can just measure that by putting some mussels in a quart container and then pouring it out and washing it. You want to make sure you scrub it up so there's no dirt in your mussel. And then next we're gonna heat up a pan at medium-high heat, put in the tablespoon of butter, and just let it melt really thoroughly. Once it is almost done melting, just put in your garlic and turn the heat to medium-low. And we don't want this garlic to brown. We just want it to infuse and leave the garlic at the white color. Next off, this is optional. Just get 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. But if you don't want it spicy, then don't add it. Let this infuse for 15 seconds, and then we're going to add in our mussels. Alright, just go ahead and add in your mussels and season it with a little bit of salt. You can always add more later. So we're going to go ahead and cook the mussel with a half a cup of white wine. I just added a quarter cup right here, and we're going to add in a quarter cup right now again. And we're basically going to cook this for around 2 to 3 minutes, and don't forget to add in your lemon. Once you're done doing that, we are just going to close the lid and set a timer for 3 minutes. Put it on high heat and don't open it until now. And look how gorgeous these mussels look. They are so fat and juicy. Just go ahead and stir it around. Make sure the sauce gets in each mussel shell, and you get this amazing broth. Alright, our mussels are done, and now we're going to plate it. So just put it in a bowl or a large plate. Just stack your mussels high and then put the sauce on top of it. Now you can also garnish with some chives, some scallions, but I'm just using some dry parsley. And then I'll see you at the taste test. Alright guys, here we go. Our drunken garlic butter mussel. It smells literally inside my whole entire house. This is amazing. Let's scoop up some of the sauce. If you got any baguette or anything, go ahead and use it as dipping, because this is amazing sauce that you get from the mussel. The mussel releases a nice broth that is delicious, and you shouldn't waste it. Amazing. The right amount of salt. The garlic. Amazing. We didn't brown it too much. We just wanted to infuse the butter a little bit, and this is amazing. These mussels are amazing. Like, this dish would cost easily like around $10. It's only costed us like a couple bucks to make. The lemon, amazing. I wish I had some pasta, but I already ate. The lemon, garlic butter, all pairs really well, and the white wine. I could just literally. That is like literally seafood soup. Oh my god, that's a lot better. Delicious. The lemon helps get rid of some of the seafoodiness. Sometimes mussels taste a little bit fishy, and yeah, the lemon helps cancel that out basically. I'm telling you, you could literally get this at a seafood restaurant. It tastes the same, but you get someone else to cook it. This only took me like 20 minutes to make the whole entire video, even while I'm recording. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. Well, that is it, guys. Please be sure to subscribe and drop a like. Goodbye.